Hello. How? What was that? How's it going? There you go. That's what I meant to say. I meant to say that. Okay, let's see. I have my code here. Let's fix this. Let's do this. There we go. Okay. Where was I? Okay. Why isn't this working? I think it's because of this. No. What if I get rid of this? Okay. Why is this not showing up? Interesting. I have this button, opens up a popover. I'm trying to display this filter. Maybe because the text is not the right text color. Background inherent. Hover card. That doesn't do anything. Let me delete this. I think that is rolled over code. Hi everybody. So yeah, if you're joining in, what I'm working on right now is inside Project Planner AI, we have a, let's see, we have a page or a tab called events. This is like our version of Post Hog, and where it's like a simple version where you could quickly see your analytics and set it up through our integration guide. But I think we started off it being a certain way, and then I think I want to update it again. I initially added this combo box and I thought it was a good idea, but now I'm sort of second guessing it. So I sort of wanted to redesign it using an approach similar to what Dub does and sort of what Beam does as well, which are other sites. And I like this simplicity of this. And then as you can see, if you drop down, you could see these options. I'm not really that concerned for customized date ranges at the moment, but I think definitely some of these, I think it's a lot simpler than that little button thing. Yeah, it's probably an extra click, but I think it's more cleaner. And then for the filter, similarly, instead of the combo box, I wanted to use this filter drop down. As you can see here, the filter drop down is like a select, so you can only select one thing at a time. So I thought, let's do this filter in the same thing that we used for the combo box, but switch it so instead of the one select, we keep the multiple check boxes. So we'll see how that looks. There was that one, there's this one, what Beam did. And then yeah, and then it's so funny, I was doing this, and then as I was doing this, I was thinking of other ideas. I had another idea because I feel like there's so many components or different ways to implement components, especially ShadCN. And if you want it, I want to see like all the different options that I have to implement certain features. But what I mean by that, let's say, okay, so I was looking at Julian's sites. Right, Julian, on the bottom, he has this area where you put your email and your subscribe, right? This is like a typical, but every person is different, has a different way of implementing this. Like slightly different. So I was looking at Fayaz's website, and then if you go down, same thing, but you see there's like a little icon. He says join instead of subscribe. There's another one, I'm trying to remember where it was, but this button was inside here. So it's like different like layouts for similar things, and I think it would be cool to like have it all in one place, and because I see someone else's, I'm like, oh, I like that way instead of the other way. So anyway, okay, that's besides the point. That's more like UI stuff. But yeah, let's go back here. We're right here. I was looking at the React docs, documentation. Not React, what am I saying? Recharts documentation. So I think this is the secondary, right? Or foreground? Ah, I knew it. Okay, so it's not secondary. We want, what color is it? I think it's not primary, foreground. I don't know why it's doing that. There we go. That's a lot better. And then if we switch it, there we go. Okay. Interesting. Very interesting. Okay, and then we have that separate. This is separate. I have to fix this. This is just, I guess, for visuals, what I'd want it to look like. And that's interesting. It has a bold because we're inside the thing. So if I do, I think font medium, I think it'll make it interesting. What did I use the other one? Medium. Text small. I don't even need this, but is this the same? Oh, I do not like that. Let me see if I just use a normal button. What happens? Okay, it takes up the whole thing. Fit. Will this do? Okay, it'll still act as a button. Is it because I have a full width here? So this shouldn't be full width. This should be width, right? Yeah, nice. Okay. And then let's see what else. Oh, we want some padding. Let's try that. Okay. I guess instead of padding, let's do a width of, let's try 10. Maybe more, maybe 20. Very interesting. Oh yeah, because it's fit, so that's not gonna work. Okay. Give me a second. Right, and then if I enable this, we should get it. Good job. Okay. Interesting. So we want there to be a padding. This should be absolute then, no? Because I want this to be more over there. Or maybe I should do a, what is it called? Left. Padding right too. Something like that. There you go. A little bit better. If you click on it. And yeah, I see that that's happening. So we got the multi-select. I just copied and pasted the original one. I have to rename it something else though. Okay. Space X2. Is 2 good? Yeah, 2 is fine. And then let's do a import. Okay, we don't need that. We don't need this. Did I import the filter? Icon. Runs down. I would like to have that in the front. Is it size 20? Let's see. Ooh, not that one, not that one. No. List filter, yeah. There we go. Okay, that's a little bit too big. Let's see. I think these should be together. So let me take this out. It should go here. This should be Alex row. I don't know why it says this. Space X2. And then this should have more space. this should have more space between each other. Just a little bit. Okay, something like that. Alex row, I don't see. Yeah, let's try that again. Alright, it's all not bad. I found this playlist. I think I might change it though. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Okay, we were here. Let's go back to this. Yeah, should be a little bit smaller. Or is the space the same? It's like a little bit more, not that much. Like 1? Yeah. And should this be even smaller? No, I think 18 was fine. I don't know, why does this feel off? I want this. Hey, what's up? And is this... What is this? Oh, it doesn't have it. Interesting. Very interesting. Okay. Can I select it? Oh, but that's not the options that I want. I want something like user. How's it going? It's going. How are you? Event. Oh, so this is not right. Right. Time periods, but I'm using the same data, but okay. Let's see. Multi-select. Let's see. I'm gonna rename this event keys. And key options. Okay. Like user hit landing page. User clicked CTA. Okay. Oh, this should all be one word? Would that be it? Would there be a value? I think it would just be... I think it would be the same, no? Filter events. Filter events. Search events. Search events. Okay, if you click on this, it closes. Click on this, closes. Clears. Interesting. Interesting. Okay, that's not right. There's a bug there. Huh. And then also that's bothering me. Okay. Value. Select value. I don't want this to be there. I want this to be here. No, let me undo, click this, put this here, put this in a div, go like this, just like that. There you go. Much better. Okay. Last 7 days, last 30 days, last 3 months. Okay, that's not bad. Let's go back to filter. I think I should call it filter events something. It's not reusable, it's only for this area. Text small. Yeah, much better. And much better. This one should be a height of 3. Ugh, but I don't want to use this. Maybe you could just use the same. Instead of chevron up and down, maybe just chevron down. And then just replace that with this. So it could at least be the same, and then have to fix the... It should also be... What size is this? 16. Yeah, that's not bad. Okay, and then this one should be 2. There we go. Okay. Not bad. Not bad. Already small improvements. Okay. This doesn't work. This is, I just want the UI to look like a certain way. Okay. And what happens if I do this? I would want this to fill. So where would we go? Here. SM with full. Okay. And then same thing with this one. With 48 SM with full. They're both with full. Should this be with full? But what is this? No, this should be at least, let's see, I don't know what's gonna happen. 80%. I don't know if this is the right way. 20%. Yeah. Well, no, but closer. Okay. What is up with this? Oh, it's because it's not justified between. Oh my god. Small things. Okay. This one, I think should be justified between. Yeah. Got this one, and you got the chevron down. This, you don't need this. Or maybe you do. Wait, this should be item center. Okay. That's interesting. I think this should be with full, huh? There we go. There we go. Ah, man. Okay, wait. Justify between, but we should still have that space X too. Just like that. Look at that. Okay. And then this, if you shrink it. But that should not wrap. There should be no wrap. Where are you? Here. White space, no wrap. So you go like this. And yeah, we'll never, not never, but yeah, we shouldn't come to a situation when that happens. But this is, okay, this is good. Some days, filter. Filter. This should switch. If it's, I wonder, where was it? Here. Yeah, to do a condition here. I wonder if there's a better way to write code for that. Because I would want it to be start then. Was it? No, not this one. It would be, this one would be start. Content start. So then it's like that. Click on this, it's like this. This would be like that. This would be for like responsiveness, but that's fine. Okay. We'll get to you in a little bit. Okay. We got this. We got this. We got this. This is gonna be hard data that I already did. I don't think this should be. Let's remove it. I'm being indecisive with whether the label should have a font medium. Yeah, that looks a little bit. I can't tell. Which one is it? This one. Yeah, I think. Okay, that's fine. 70 days. That's 30 days. Okay. Now we have to get this to work. How do I make this control this? I don't think. Interesting. Okay. We're already doing it in that other place. Oh, that's fine. But now it's. Okay, this is this event chart, right? Okay, we were here. I was still trying to figure out a couple things. If I did this, I could do this. I could do this. I could do this. Okay, what was I figuring out? I was trying to figure out this margin thing. Okay, what was this? Right, but then I had this at the start, but then we said, okay, this should defaultly be middle. Yeah, okay. And then also, I think getting rid of that tick line again, because I had it there before. Oh, not here. Tick line. No. Like that, bro. Okay. Yeah, and then what did I do? What chart? I'm using recharts. Recharts, the most popular one. The most maintained one. But the thing with recharts is it's really good. It's just, it takes a couple, you have to read the documentation or use ChatGPT to help you make it look a little bit more smoother, I guess. Where was this? This is what they did. And they should be the same. Yeah, okay. Okay, and this I can remove this. Much better. Much better. I like this a lot more than this. At least the thingies. Maybe we can have the lines back though. So maybe I'll add the grid back. If we go here. Okay. I removed the grid. Let's put back the grid. Cartesian grid. Where is it? Cartesian. Where are you? This one. Cartesian grid. Stroke neutral. Vertical false. Okay. This one. Cartesian grid. Vertical lines. Vertical false. Stroke. Oh, I don't, did I not import it? No, I did. Okay. Hey, Assad. Good. Alhamdulillah, how are you? Okay, Assad, what do you think? Should I have the grid lines or should I not have the grid lines? That's good. That's good to hear. Let's see. Okay, why was this like this? Oh, I have a padding right of 60. Maybe that's why. I should maybe have a padding right of, what did I say? 4? Yeah, there's this space. So I don't know if you came across this. I'm trying to do something similar. Let me see it without first so I can tell. Oh, okay, give me a second. Okay, so this is with it. Okay, this is with the lines. This is without it. I think I like it without it. Without it, right? I like it without it. Okay. Okay. We'll both agree on that. Okay, let's do it without it. And then what was the other one that I wanted to do? Okay. Let's, especially since the user can hover and see it, right? Yeah, that's true. Okay, so then the other thing was, I think this is way better than this right now. The other thing was this offset. I think it's not happening here. Interesting. This offset, I want this, but on mobile there is no hovering, right? I don't think so. That's a good question. No, I think there is. Let's check. I think it's implemented right now. Let's go within here, events. Yes, there is a, yes, hovering is in it. Yep, good video, by the way. Just watched it an hour ago. Oh, thank you. But on mobile there's, so on mobile there is hovering. Yeah, I was supposed to come, I'm a day off from the video marathon that I said I was gonna do, 14 videos in 14 days. I have another video planned out for today. I just need one day where I knock out 2. Any other, oh yeah, and also I'm running out of video suggestions. Maybe I should do a video on recharts. I should do a video on recharts. I know a little bit now. Not that much though. But then I need to like do a deeper dive in it. I think the next video I have planned is advanced data tables. So how to implement the data tables that we have. With the select that we figured out, how to add pagination. I'm querying this from a database. So I want to add that. You can make 2 in 1 video. That's a good point. If Mr. Shessian releases new recharge stuff, then you can make 2 in 1. Yeah, that's a good point. Is he supposed to release it today? What was the release date for it? When is this? He said for tomorrow. It looks dope, not gonna lie. Right? But I'm assuming he also used recharts because he's using recharts. I mean, I'm not sure if he is. It just looks like it. What? Nice. Okay. Yeah, it's recharts. Yeah. Alright. So I want to make, because it's on UI Shiatsuan, right? Yeah. You see this? I want this to be inside of this line. And I spent like a good amount of time. I like Trimmer more than recharts though. Really? I feel like with recharts though, there's a lot more. I think the documentation is better. And then with Tremor, you have to set up like other styling things. And I tried doing it and then I messed up my shad. The thing that I have set up for Shiatsuan. But I feel like for us, I mean, recharts is good enough. Where is this area charts? Yeah. And they have solved the thingy. Should we switch to... never tried any of them. Generally speaking, I like the design more. Yeah, I feel like Tremor is also recharts. Should we check? It's just well-designed recharts. Or is it not? Or is it its own thing? Probably its own thing, huh? Are you guys using... No, they're not. Yeah, it's probably its own thing. It just maybe feels like it is. No! You know? Right here. Tremor uses recharts. I knew it. It's just well-designed recharts. And it's like... They probably wrapped it. Oh, damn. Yeah. See? Everything is a wrapper. Okay. Get the code from it. Yeah, I'm trying to... It's just... Maybe it's because my thing is too long. Maybe that's why. Because this is too long. So it can't shift it in. Okay, whatever. It's fine. This is good enough to solve the issue. I mean, it's not an issue, I guess. It's not. I think I'm just being too picky because there's this space. I could add the same space here so at least it fits. Let's see. Let's do that. Let's add like 8. Let's see what happens. Let's add a little bit more. 10. Yeah, similar, close. I think this is really good. Okay, let's stick with this. And then the next thing we want to do is, yeah, okay, so I have this. We have that. This is depending on the date. Okay. Data. The data. Name. So... shift, they are centered. To solve the issue, they are centered. On Tremor, the start is shifted a bit. That's why it looks different. Interesting. Let's take a look at it. The start is shifted, but they're all still evenly laid out. Multi-select. Can I... Oh, Tremor has a multi-select. We could have just used this one. Okay, it's not showing it. Okay, I might need to add Tremor then. It'll save me time. See? Dependency recharts. Add a use on window hook, copy and paste the code for components, add a component. Okay. Okay, so, oh, this is the raw. Got you. And I think this is, when did this come out? Has this always been there? It's just recharts. Okay, so let's add that. Where would I add this? It's a hook. Okay. Let's add this hook. Okay. Use. Oh, I already have it. Window size. But which one is this? Is this a different window size? Where did I use this? Tracks the window size. Mobile nav, mobile nav. Is this really where I used it? Oh, okay. No, but this is a use. What do you mean? Wait, but did you get the multi-select? But you did get the multi-select from, I even got a nice password input from it. Yeah, okay, so okay, so the one that we did, we're using the checkboxes, right? We're using those little checkboxes. If we go here, and then also I think I didn't want the the items to show. I think it was just, I just wanted it to show here. And then make this scrollable. Just so then this doesn't get too, I think, crowded. I even changed it so it doesn't show the password unless the input is on focus. On hover, right. What was I trying to do? Okay. Close. Close. Raw. On window size handler. On window size. Where is this? Okay. On window resize. Let's try that. Use on window resize. Let's do this. I don't like this. I like doing it like this. What is your guys' opinion on this? And then I think since we're using a use effect, we still need to use client now. Good evening from South Africa. Hello. Good evening. Welcome. Thanks for joining. So we got that. We want to try this. And now we're trying to show this. Okay. So this is basically that. Oh, but this is dependent on the data. Okay, the date. Right. Okay. So we, okay. Okay, so rechart itself. Greetings from India. Just finished my sophomore year at college. Will complete full stack flow within some months. Any year first, and then after my first SaaS, want 100K pay as a remote dev. Am I moving right? Another year for projects and another for my SaaS. Am I moving right? Are you moving right? I'm not sure. I guess time will tell. Sounds, as long as you're doing something, I think that's all that matters. Area chart code. Area chart. Area chart. That's the shit that makes it look more aligned. Oh, what? What did you send? Uh-oh, I'm getting a call. Give me a second. Yeah. I'm looking at it right now. Okay, yeah, that's space. Okay. Let's see. Legend items. Scroll button. Scroll legend prompts. What is this? Chart. Oh, is this all? What is this? Is this all the code? For this? Default. Stacked. Percent. Default stacked. Oh, I see the different types. Okay. Right, how do they do that? Wait, if I hover over, and this is in the center. So I think it's just, Oh, wait. I think I know. Wait. Huh. Oh, it says multi-select soon. It doesn't work right now. They're just teasing you. Okay. What is your guys' opinion on combining different UI libraries to one app? Because then I feel like I think it's important to have cohesion. So it's good to just stick with one. Or maybe use another component from another library that looks at least similar, or update it to make it look similar to yours. Oh, this is nice. Okay. And yeah, the trimmer is just... Everybody's using Radix and just making a wrapper. Okay. Oh, this is nice. You might want to use that. I think this would be nice for ours too. It's about raw modification. There's a component library. Raw is not. Instead, components are available in plain code and copy and paste for your website. Okay, got you. That's what I thought. You can use it as long as the design is the same across the system, but I wouldn't recommend it, right? That's okay. Thanks, Jose. Yeah. I think I feel a similar way. Okay. Okay, that's not our problem right now. Our problem is let's just regroup. What is a graph? A graph takes in an input of x and y coordinates. Now, depending on your data, sometimes you don't have data points for all of them. So let's say, okay, I'm doing everything hard-coded right now because I had for this one, I thought I did it, but then it wasn't working. And I think because my logic was incorrect. So now I'm going back to the starting board to see if, yeah, see, like this is not right. 6, and I don't like this. Okay. Before we actually get into the graph, let's actually understand. Let's try to understand what exactly this is. Okay. I could close this. Now let's display the data. I would like to display the data. JSON, yeah, there we go. Okay. Events is not defined. Is it not? Event keys. Oh, right. Okay, so this is what I would have to do. Events is equal to ID, name, value, time. Yeah, there you go. Okay. That's fine. There we go. Yeah, nice. Okay. Is there a way when your project gets to 100 npm modules, stop caring? Hey Cody, you think so? At work, what do I... Oh, Cody, since you're here, yeah, I'm trying to just improve the graph and improve the outline. Oh, at work, what I do is I have a range days, for example, 5 days, and there's not data for 2 out of those days. I would put 0. Right, yes. The way the graph stays consistent. Exactly. So then, yeah, we did that here, but then it's giving us events right here. But yeah, some days this doesn't make sense. It's giving me duplicate days. So I think that's just how I'm filtering. It's the logic. But I think, yeah, it's just how I'm transforming the data, because we have data from we have data from one table, and then we have the keys, and then we have, yeah, it's just, yeah, getting the data from one table. Okay. But then I'm trying to fix this right now because, oh, is this right? This is right, but we're just getting, wait, this is wrong. I don't know why this is duplicated. This doesn't make sense to me. But we do, okay, I think this one makes the most sense. Because, yeah, these days we got 0. And then this one, this makes sense. This is, before they were connecting when there was a 0. So we fixed that. So this works. March. But, oh, I think it's just this. There is a 03 and also a 3. Oh. 03 and a 3. Wait. Where is it? Okay, where? Oh, wait. The other one. With the other one. Let's go back. That's a good call out. Thank you. I didn't even notice. Okay, duh. Interesting. Interesting. Why? So I need to like normalize it probably, huh? That's why the date is bad. How are you, Mrs. Robot? Thank you, Brendan. I'm doing well. Okay. Let's see. So that's that bug. So there's that bug that we are aware of. And then also this. Okay, actually I need to draw it out because it's gonna help me. Okay. Okay, so. Okay, one, we need to first in our events. Oh yeah, I also need to update. What did I say? Bug in events chart. Okay, I did have that there. SPPI, no, it is not, unfortunately. But I've been live streaming a lot of it, so if you watch through my live streams. Wait, what am I doing? Events. Okay. Events. Find the bug in the x-axis. Probably need to normalize the dates. What I mean is we have a June 3rd and June 03. I don't know if that's a... Give me 1 second. Okay, sorry about that. My sister called and she normally doesn't. while I'm live streaming. So I think she had a question. Anyway, well, more interesting than the death by PowerPoint session I just attended. Death by PowerPoint sesh? What? Find the bug in excess. You probably need to normalize the dates. What I mean, let's see. For my job. Oh, I mean, I think anything is better than a job meeting. Okay. Okay, I don't know what's the reason why we have these 2 dates. I don't know if it's because I'm not, maybe I didn't convert. Okay, yeah, I need to double check that. Maybe it's within R. Let's check. Okay, wait, we have to check. Wait, give me 1 second. I have to check the database to see if our data is corrupted. Okay, so be careful. Okay, events. Let's go here. Let's do this. Let's do this. Okay. Third, 03, 03, 06. Wow. All right, let's look for date. Date equals 2024 -06 -03. Okay, let's look for another date. Let's do just -3. No. Yeah, so it is. It's fine there. It's on my end. Maybe it's because it's the first day of the month? Huh. Alright. Let's go back. My boss making 10-minute lesson turn into 1-hour rants about meaningless. Oh yeah. Oh my god. I think that's like that's a thing every workplace has. A 10-minute meeting ends up being an hour, 2-hour meeting. People still regard him as a genius in our workplace. So incredible. I'm impressed about how much he values our productivity and time with his brilliant lessons. But what is the lesson? What is meaningless stuff? Is it like relevant to even your job? Nothing says I know what I'm doing like that. Yeah. Okay. We have that. Okay. I think it's because I'm screwing something up there. Okay, double check. Find the bug, and the next thing, improve the chart UI. Alright, first find the bug. So what do I want to do? I want to save the current state of this and the current state of event chart. Then I want to go back. Let's go here. Let's revert, discard changes. These ones are not being touched anywhere else. Okay. And then let's actually look at this. Okay. So this is the data. This is for 1 week. Now I know that if I go with an event chart now, I know we can remove this. It gets rid of the lines. I know we can add the tick. Tick is equal to false. And then, no, tick line. No, he was training us on how to use ChatGPT for marketing. When a 12-year-old could do the things he taught us, he described the methods in the most elegant way with his fantastic wordplay. I used GPT-3 to write my own blogs, marketing material 2 years ago, and did better with an older model and no experience. Okay. We did that. And then the next thing, what was it? Let's go back. I mean, maybe people feel like they have a need to share something. It's their way to feel like they're contributing. Tick, fill, tick. Oh, it's because I already have that. Okay. Let's see. Nice-ish. Okay. Now we are using it with our data. Our data. Right. 0, 4. But it's not showing on the axes. Why? Okay. I want to change the way that this is showing up. The format. The format is going to be dependent on that. Okay. Got you. So we have this, we have this. Get rid of this. Let's close this. We have this custom tooltip that's irrelevant. We have the markers, we have marker transformations. That's not what we're looking for. We're looking for the transform data. Okay, that's not the one that we're looking for. We are passing in data from event chart. So let's go see where this is being used. This is being used within here. We got, this is it. No, it's ego thing for him. Someone makes a small mistake and they never hear the end of it. His office is always 12 people. Oh, dang. Yeah. Man. Okay. We got this. We got this. This one. Data. Let's see what our data is. It's not. I got a bunch of use effects. These are not. Oh, wait. This one is right. Absurd. Get user event preferences. That's fine. This one transform. This one. This part. Okay. So, okay. Unique keys. Okay. So we have events. We're getting all the events and getting the unique keys out of the events. Okay. Then we are filtering the events depending on which key we have selected. Oh my god. Okay, I need to put my phone on do not disturb. That's what I should do. I always forget that's an option. Okay. The amount of spam risk call I get a day. Oh my god. Okay. Date range. Get all dates. Okay, this is format month. No, so we want to change this format. This format should be different. How do I change this format? It's funny. Oh my god. Change this format to where did it go? This format. Oh man, okay. What? Wait. What? Oh, it's because, yeah, it's inside of it. Okay. So No. No, I mean, give me the version for no, not give me emergency. Oh my god. Okay. No, what's the layout to get the style? Hey! Needed to ask this for many days. How much knowledge do you need? What? How much knowledge do I need in Next.js and backend technologies to build a SaaS or any projects which I want to? I need some guidance. How much knowledge? I mean, I think nowadays just enough. I mean, it's more about being able to get around a repo because there are so many resources out there, so many people that are creating templates and you know, boilerplates that you can just use. You know, I think the thing that's the most important to think about is what are you trying to build? What problem are you solving? Because, like, what's the point of building a SaaS, spending so much time on it if no one's going to use it? I think a lot of people don't really think about that aspect of it and just think about, oh, I want to build a SaaS. But I think the core thing is figuring out what problem, like I said, and the if there's a product market fit. But I'm assuming you're just talking about in terms of technical stuff, right? So oh my god, I did this the other day. What was it? Date format, date. No script. This one. I saved this a while ago. I don't know where it went. Okay, people might hate me for what I'm about to say. Ship fast is working good because it is selling the dream. Right. Yeah, of course. But what's the dream? The dream is for you to make, don't get me wrong, the guy behind it is genius, but I stand by it. Okay. No, I mean, that's an indicator of a good marketer. But now I mean, he's not only selling the dream, there is that emotional connection to it, but it's also, right, what value people get is, okay, you save time not writing boilerplate. But the time that you do spend the most, right, and then that's the point is, the point is you buy a boilerplate so you could spend time actually building your product. But what is that product? You can't just sell the boilerplate again. Do you know what I'm saying? How do I get the date? You have to be solving a problem. And a big enough problem that someone would pay for. And the solution that you provide, someone would pay for. Or if you just want to make a SaaS, make a SaaS. And just to learn. But, you know, and yes, I get you, yeah. Where is it? I'm trying to get the date, not the number. There's the format for it. Oh, I forgot. is the month. But then MMM, 3 M's. Isn't it DDD? Oh, it's 3Ds. Shouldn't it be 3Ds? No. What? Solving a problem and also spending 50% of your time marketing to try to convince it. Yes, 100% agree. So the main problem is whenever I start something, I think that I don't have knowledge. Host know, what are your favorite subjects? What other fields have you worked in? What do you want to do exactly? Yeah, so as soon as you start thinking that you don't have enough knowledge, then that's what stops you from building it. Go in with the mentality that, hey, you know, what are you trying to do with the code? I mean, the formatting. Oh, thanks, Assad. Yeah, I'm trying to get the format to get. Sorry, there's a lot of things happening. This formatting. I'm trying to format the dates for this. I forgot how to do it. I think. Okay, first I need to remove this one. Oh, easy. 1 sec. Okay. Oh my God, is there? Whoa, okay. I just thought of like so many tools, not so many tools. Like yesterday was convert ORM schemas from like one to another, like Prisma to Convex or Drizzle to Prisma or whatever. Another one, just give the site your date and then it auto generates this for you. Because I'm asking ChatGPT to do it and I don't think it's getting, maybe it's because I'm not writing this right prompt. Okay. Oh, you have it? Oh, okay. Oh, wait, sorry. Okay. Let's come back. Yes, I 100% agree with Cody. Ashish, yeah. So, like I said, go in with a growth mindset. Understand what your strengths and weaknesses are. Know that, okay, if you don't know enough, I think everybody thinks they don't know enough, but you got to start somewhere. And if you don't know something, then go learn it. Go Google it. We have the accessibility. If you have internet, you could always look things up. There's ChatGPT nowadays. Ask ChatGPT. Don't feel afraid to use your resources. Like there's no reason why, you feel like you don't know enough unless you're trying to do something so complex out of your, level of expertise, and there's not other people that have been able to do it, and that's a different story. What's your favorite subjects? I mean, I've always liked math and science. I liked, what else did I like? There are so many technology specific. Oh, so that's a good question. What other fields have you worked in? Oh, EEE. Yeah, you're right. Okay, let me add that. What other fields have I worked in? I mean, I've mostly done a lot of, I think the first couple of jobs that I've had was a lot, or like, I like volunteering. I liked volunteering too. So I used to, in high school, I was the organizer for our robotics club to do outreach events. So we would go to like different elementary schools in our area and go teach the kids or like do robotics, like they call it VEX. VEX or workshops, VEX IQ. So it's the robotics for kids. So it's like Legos. I taught that. We did that for like a year or two, and then what's it called? After that, my first job was teaching. I was teaching an after-school program with a nonprofit organization. And then what else? After that, I worked in the aerospace, astronomy industry, and then agricultural industry. I don't think that was really your question. I don't know where I'm going with this. I am open to learning about anything. I love learning. I love, different. I was watching like no volunteer work. Volunteer work is work. Thank you. I appreciate that. Yeah. I worked with the Microsoft Teals program. I did that for like a year. That volunteer with Teals. So Teals stands for, what does this stand for? I think it's a philanthropies program to get computer science into schools that are what's it called? They don't have computer science programs. So this was a cool experience. Got to meet some cool people. Even going to school is an occupation. Yeah. Alright, let me do this. Okay, let's do E. Thanks, Assad. Okay. Nice. Okay, so I want this one. There you go. And then I want that one. Let's get rid of the year. Oh, but depending on what you choose is going to determine the format. So if you choose day, let's see, how do I choose which one you selected? Okay. So you went from education to aerospace to agriculture. Yes. Yes, you could say that. Different industries. What was I trying to do? Okay. Alright, I need to turn off this music because now I can't think. So, okay. This is my thinking process out loud. Let new format equal if okay, let's do the switch statement. Switch, and then let's do case. Okay, it's doing it for me. Nice. Yeah, that's basically it. Date range select. Selected date. Selected date. Start date. Case. Where did we do that? Where are we doing that again? Where's the filter? Filter events. Events, selected keys, markers. Where's the buttons that I'm passing through? It's here. Button integration guide. Button integration guide. Has keys, that one. Has keys. This one. Here we go. Select date range. Click on select date range. Range is equal to that. Okay. Got you. Yeah, it is select date range. Okay. Why is it interesting? Okay. New format. No, never used. What? It's the same, but never used. Oh, I see what you mean. Yeah, there we go. Okay. We do not need. We need this. We do not need this. And why does this one? Oh yeah, that's right. Okay. Right. Okay. Okay, okie dokie. Okay. So that's something I need to fix, but that's fine. So we got that. If I choose 1 month, yeah. I'm trying to see which one. 1 month. What did 1 month look like? 1 month is still in that format. Okay. Interesting. Now, why is that last one like that? This last one, why is it like that? Huh. Weird. And we want the extra 0. Probably not. 1 week, 3 months. 3 months. Do I have to change the interval? Probably, huh? 1 day. 1 day. Okay. Friday, May. But then that format should be different. That format should be different. But we're passing it within it, so then we have to change it back to another format. There's more styling. But what's the core issue? The core issue is the data that we're passing isn't right. So let's take a look at that. What is data? So data looks like this. Correct. If we do 1 month, it looks like this. And then we have this outlier. This outlier is, let's see, it looks like that. Do we have a May 29 here? Yes, we do. Okay. But why is it saying that it's 3? Did I do something? Events. May 29. May 29. We have a few events. Okay. Okay. Because we have interesting. Very interesting. Okay. We have these events. If there's no events, there should be 0. Test 3, 29. 29, test 3, 2, right? Right? Oh. Test 3, 29. Okay, I'm doing this wrong. Okay, let's backtrack. Okay. Data. Where are we setting the data? Let's see. I need to like delete this and redo this. This is incorrect. This is wrong. Okay, so we dates reduce. Okay. This one, or that one. Good time. Sort by that. This one, return that one, group by date. Let's print all dates. All dates, okay. This is all dates. May 5th to June 5th. This is all correct. Now, we are trying to take all dates, get date, okay, we got that. Now, group by date. This, what is this? Group by date. So this is my data based on that. Okay. And if I switch this with this one, which has more items, it looks like this. May 29, 28, name. This is not a good way to do this. I need to make this better. Okay. We got that. We got, this is the 5th. Why is May here? This is not correct. Let's delete this. If I delete that, then that breaks. Okay. For each thing, this is incorrect. Sort data by name. Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, what am I doing? Here's the thing. I have data. Here's let's say I have an events table. The events table, the data that I'm getting from the events table looks like this. Where is the data? Wait, really? Unique keys. Oh, right here. Events. This is events. Let's print this. Okay. Data from events looks like this. Looks like this. Oh, it's a little bit too big, but that's okay. Let's shrink it. The data for events looks like this. Okay. So we get, have you done a diff between how it used to work and now? I don't think we used to have duplicate days before. No. Okay. So what we had before was we were showing all the data. So, we didn't have duplicate dates because the table got the right X and Y's because in our database, I think the duplicate dates doesn't have to do with, I thought, like, where could the issue come from? Hey, what's up? But now it's because since we're doing the filtering, or I'm trying to implement the filtering, I think that's the grouping, because I'm trying to plug in the missing dates, because let's say like we had a graph, how we had it before is let's see, we did something like this, right? Yeah, so we had this graph and it was fine because we were just getting the events data and just displaying it in the graph, right? We had to, how do I explain this? Yeah, before it would just be like, yes, exactly, yeah. So now I'm trying to, but you're filling in the missing dates now. Yes, and that's where the bug is. So so depending on which filter you select, I have a function to get the date range in that, what's it called? That thing. So that's where this is coming from. Like if we select that button, then it will get the sub weeks from today's date to that week, right? It's doing that. And then we're getting back all the dates from that date range. Once I get all the dates, then I'm looping through our events data and seeing if there is maybe that's where it's happening. I think I'm inserting the date if there's already a date that exists. Yes, that's where it's happening. Oh my God. Okay, wait. Okay, but where is that? Okay. I have to check if it exists. If it exists, if that date exists, then I don't want it to get inserted. Do you know what I'm saying? Because I'm looping through the day. I think that's it. I think that populate missing events with the 0. But then missing events with 0. Wait. Okay, yeah, all dates is the range. The group by dates, I think this might be it. Maybe this is the issue because it's not the right format, maybe. Not the right format because the date that is being used. I believe the bug is here. It's here. Okay, wait. I think I have to check. Yeah, the bug is here. Okay. What is this? Reduce this one. For each key, date and the key. Date and the key is equal to that or 0. It's the date. Does all dates have correct entries? Yes. Okay, there we go. Okay, all dates, I need to fix it where if it doesn't have it for 2-digit, the issue doesn't happen when there's a 2-digit date. So like 10, 11, 12, it only happens on 1 digits. And I think it only happens on 1 digits is because in our database, there we go. I think in our database, it includes the 0 in front of the 1 digit. And then in this one, it doesn't include the 0. So let's double check that. Great. Okay, so that should be it. Because we are getting a duplicate. Because yeah, what's it called? Who pointed out? Someone pointed out on the stream that we have duplicate here. See June 3rd without the 0, and here June 3rd with the 0. And then if we go back more, anything with the 2 digits doesn't have a duplicate. I think it's that. Okay. So let's do that. Let's get rid of this. Let's do this. Let's do all dates. Okay, this is all dates for week 1. This is all dates for week 1. But now, wait, let's go back here. 0, 2. Okay, but now we have this issue. Okay, let me get rid of the formatting thing that I just added. I think that's the one that's giving me a thing right now. Get rid of view. Where did you go? Let me revert again. All right, let's revert. Okay, we're back to where we started. Here. This 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This one. Where are we seeing? Do we have duplicate 6, 7, 6, 7? Oh, but I don't have. Okay, so now let's see. Okay, let's. This is inside mine. Let's do this. My hypothesis. Let's see. Let's change this to 0, 2. 0, 2. And then, what was it? Oh, I think that should be enough. 0, 2 should be enough. Or I should have done 0, 2 right. What did I do? Did I do it for May or March? Wait, 0, 2 right here. Test 2. March was May. May 6th. No, what? Okay. May 2nd. Oh, duh, because I don't have that one. May 2nd. There we go. Okay. May 2nd. May 2nd. Here we go. Duplicate right there. 1 month. Okay, let me do June 2nd. June 2nd. Wait, there we go. Here. 1, 2. Now we check this. How do I make sure that this returns in the format 0, 1? Let me see. Let's see. Where are we? Okay. Console.log all dates. All dates. Okay. Here we go. 0, 2. 0, 2. Wait. No, that's right. Wait, where? Why is this not showing anymore? What just happened? Did I accidentally delete something? Okay. June 2nd. June 2nd. Oh, interesting. Interesting. June 2nd is being shown like that. Whoa, wait. Oh my god. Ugh, this dates. Dates are things. Okay, I think dealing with dates is annoying in code because you have to think about, okay, what if the user is in a different time zone and the date is one way in the database? Okay, you have to make sure you have to use UTC, but then let's say you want to change the format and then sometimes the formatting is off. Then you have to make sure that you're using the right time zone. Oh my god. Okay. Anyway. Okay, I'm complaining. Complaining too much. Let's see. Here. Okay, I undid it. Okay, now we're back to this. We're back to this. Now, where is this coming from? All dates. I think it's there. But when I did that, I don't know why it didn't give me. Okay. 02. Okay. And then let's see the actual sorted data. Sorted data. 2. What is this? What is this? Oh, this is inserted. This is the data that we're getting from our database. So we don't want it to do that. Okay, just do. I know what the problem is. I just have to do it, but I can't think. Okay. There is a bug. It is. I think we passed the convex data through a formatter as well. Oh, is it that? Let's see. Because I think convex. Okay, so where is that formatter? Event provider. Events. Would it be events. Create get events. Oh, are you just saying in general? Where's the formatter coming from? Or it's just a default thing? Or convex does that? So I just need to convert it back, right? It's probably reformat. Is it? Reformat date. It's in the utils. Utils. Format date. Reformat date. Is it in the utils? Did I spell reformat wrong? Yes, I did. I spelled it wrong. There you go. Okay. Here. Split the input day string per month and day. If it's 0. There we go. No. Wait. Create a new object. New date is using UTC. Wait. Not this one. Line 151 probably doesn't left pad 0 maybe? You think so? 151. Oh. This one. Event chart. But wait, events. Reformat date. Group by yes. Okay. How do I pad the day with 0 if it is a date. Let me see. Day, 2-digit. Okay. Is that a parameter? 2-digit. Hey, just one line. Oh my god. Okay. That was it. Thank you, Cody. Okay. So let's fix that. Let me get rid of this. Let's get rid of this. Get rid of this. Get rid of this. I double check where that function, because I think we use it everywhere. Yeah. Okay. We probably broke something else somewhere else, such as finance. Probably. You're right. So I'll just create another function. I'll just create another function for, or do you think that's the best way? Let's see. If I do something like this, 4.5 digit amount. So I don't think so. Where else are we using it? Add an argument that can pass and take it. There you go. Okay, there you go. Okay. Day format. Defaultly numeric. And then if you want to change it, just change it to format. Date format. Numeric as type. As type. Okay. Is that fine? Format. And then when we go back to reformat date, the place where we wanted to do it was within event chart. And we format date. We also want to pass in, no, this is for markers. We want it for, where are you? Blog, reports. And this one. Date format is equal to 2-digit. What have you done? Yes? I think the proper format would be day format numeric is equal to oh, okay. You put the types within it. Got you. Like this. Wait. It would be like to avoid as, right? Okay. Right. There we go. Okay. Thank you. Okay. One month. 3 months. All. I think I need to fix all. All should be from the last day, not, I think I did. I just put something together quickly. But change it to default by, oh, right. Okay. Where are you? Default, where are you? Default to numeric. Oh, I had it autocomplete. Oopsies, okay. What was the other things? Okay, I added this. And I added this. Okay, let me get this out. Actually, I'm gonna come back to you. That's just for the styling. And then also for you, I want that to be a separate thing. Okay. Here. Then I go here. Then I delete file. Event chart. I removed it. We have this event chart, but if we have nothing selected, I still want that. We gotta update that. Okay. Not tick formatter. What's it called? What did I have in the other one? Where are you? Clean up. Okay. Here we go. This one. Is it here? Tick line. There we go. No, not tick line. Ah, wait. Stroke fill. What did I change? There's something. Where is it? Recharts. API. X-axis hide. Did it access you with height orientation type? Allow. Take account. Padding. Axis line. Axis line. I think that one. Axis line there, axis line there. Oh, but it doesn't have, okay. I see what you mean. Okay. Whoops, wrong one. There you go. Okay. Sometimes. Okay. Okay. This one. Then if we select this one, we do 1 week, 1 month. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. Where are you? Reformat date. Okay. Parse. UTC. The month argument is 0 indexed. Look at date. Parse 10. Okay. Wait, what do we do again? Okay, we did the reformat date. And then we added this. Okay. I think we're good for now. At least fixing that bug. It's just 3 changes. This one. Oh, let me remove this. Okay. 2. Okay. 3. Okay. Wow. It took me 2. Took us. We did this together. Okay. Let's see. npm run build. There we go. Yeah, that was the bug. Okay, and then let me leave a comment. Something went wrong. Uh-oh. The item was deleted. Interesting. Interesting bug. Okay. Get add. Forgot how to amend a commit. Because there's just some things I need to like. Where are you? It's git amend. Git commit amend. Dates. Favorite subject is PE count. I like sports. Sports and math, I think. What other subjects? I like art. I mean, I like English, but I wish I was a better writer. Okay. Let's see if that did it. Beautiful chart, isn't it? Okay. The problem was simpler than it was. Okay, now let's wait. We are gonna wait to see if this works. I'm not good at math, really? Yeah, a lot of people don't like math. Okay. Let's look at this. I might want to improve it. Their changelog. I want to update our changelog to look like this, Cody. We have a lot of the core, like, we have core functionality. It's just small UI tweaks I think would make a big difference. What else do we got? We got, this needs to be like number one. Oh, okay. I don't know, Cody, if you're still here. Question, or if anybody's here. So, in regards to sorting, so we added, you're able to sort within the Kanban. I don't think that sorting translates to the table though. No, I don't think that persists. But within here, whatchamacallit? What was I saying? Within here. Right. So there's two types of, how do you select what type of sorting do you want? So this one sorts it, right? This one filters it. There's filtering and there's sorting. Filtering only shows you the items that you want. The sorting, before it was sorting by, I think, what's it called? Priority. Now you can control the sorting. So I could do this. But then how do you still, let's say someone wants to switch back to that priority sorting. Would this just be a different sort? You have to save that. So there's let me see. There's priority sorting. There is, let's see. Sorting, and filtering. Filtering will show you only the items. Sorting will show you the items but in a certain order. So there is priority sorting. There is custom sorting. There is, oh, priority as in, oh, but we already have priority sorting. We have this. But then that's not what they're referring to. They just want priority sorting as in this to be prioritized. Yeah, I'm not sure. Hey, what's up? Okay, we're still waiting until it's done deploying. I think once it's done deploying, I think I might end the stream then today to then continue working on stuff. What's the priority base here? So the priority base, there's literally priority variable here. So it's high, normal, low. So right now you can either, I think someone requested to be able to sort or change the ordering like this. But let's say, what's it called? Let's say I have it initially like this. I customize the sorting, but now I want everything to be, click some button to sort it back to priority, like high, normal, low, and then maybe another button to go back to what it was before, like this. I'm not sure what the exact thing is, but okay. Cool. Yeah. Interesting. Okay. We are waiting. Custom priority sorting. Priority sort button should suffice, right? That's what I thought. Like, this should be enough, no? That's why it doesn't make sense, but okay. But maybe it doesn't make sense to me because I have a bias, but I would guess this would be, Okay. Anyway, let's see. What was I going to say? I was going to say something. Oh, yeah, this is what I was going to ask. Okay, question. If anybody's there. Okay, so I have two options for you. 3, maybe. Would you rather use something like this? If you want to give an opinion to go back to, you have to show priority sorted in a view only mode, right? Yeah. Priority sorted in a view only mode. That's a good point. Would you rather have this? So when you drop down, it has these options for you. And then if you want to filter the events, you have these options. Or would you have this or this? What UI would you guys rather use? I'll wait a second. The left one. Really? Interesting. Okay. You would rather use the left one. Anybody else for the right one? Maybe I need to update the spacing of the thingy because I feel like it's too small. Less clicks, more granular control for right. Right. Left. Okay, 2 people for left. Left. Okay, then I guess that's the verdict. Okay, good to know. Thank you guys. I appreciate your input. Right? And if and only if more filters. Democracy wins. Or advanced filters. It's a good point. Yay. But you have 4 simple filters. Yeah. And then Assad, I think, was it you or who was it, the one that said that these are some options and you can add more options if okay, so it will be sad to put it behind another click. But remember, let me see. So here, so Dub, they're locking these ones for only, I think, the paid one, the paid plans. I think someone mentioned that. It was me who said put all behind a paywall. So they did that. I was like, who does that? I'm like, I guess Dub does that. You could put anything behind a paywall. Yeah, we should probably do that. I have to talk to Evan Banks, put that behind paywalls. Oh, really? Wait, who's Evan Banks? Still building. Evan Banks? What stack you using? I can get a 3M summary more than that. They be like, no pay up. Wow. Oh, I spelled it wrong. Oh, bank. It's a banking system. Is that what you're talking about? This one? Or no? Oh, you're saying even. Even. Like the word even. Even banks do it. I thought the amount of times that I have brain lag is because I take it so literally. I take things literally. It's hard for me to like, okay, oh, you know? And then also I've been live streaming for the last 2 hours, so I degrade in mental capacity over time. So then I have to like, especially when talking, I get so, I think, mentally out of it. Oh, what stack? I mentioned that before in another video. I could share with you the stack. Where is this live stream? Tech stack. Here, this is our tech stack. If you want to take a look at it. But it's still the start of the day for you. Yeah, that's the thing. Ugh, it's bad. It's like, I think because I used to work out, but I don't work out as much or at all. And I want to get back to it. I think that helped me with my thing. I don't know if that's the thing. Yeah, here's a stack. We got Next.js. We got Tailwind CSS. We got Shad CN. We got, I don't have that anywhere, but that's fine. We are using Convex, Cloudflare. Oh yeah, that's a good, we need to add that. Thank you. Cloudflare. Oh, DDoS protection. ShadCN is paid? No, it is not paid. What do you consider this security? Security? Rate limiting. Rate limiting. And DDoS protection. Just security? Or would it be DDoS protection? This would be DDoS protection. Don't use it for everything. Don't you use it for everything? Wait. Don't you use it for you use just security, DNS records and stuff? Wait, what do you mean? Wait, Traffy. Oh, you never heard of Shatsian? This is Shatsian. Not that one. There we go, this one. Oh, I've heard of it but never used it. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's just a component library that a lot of people use nowadays. Ooh, look at that. Let's see. Let us see. Changes to release set. All branches. How many branches? Debug edit. Hi, Brandon. Nice. Okay. Is there anything else? I haven't looked at this in a while. Did we add? Docker container. ProjectPlanner. Okay. I think it's done. There we go. Refresh. Oh, yeah. Okay. I wanted to ask. So we just deployed. We have fresh code. Some users, sometimes I'm working with a couple other people on, or was it? I had a couple of my team members from my hackathon use our platform to manage our hackathon project. And we were having a conversation after the hackathon and they had this open on their screen and we pushed updates, but I noticed that on a specific page, it didn't show certain things. So they had to refresh the page. And that's a common thing within, I think, web, which I don't know if anybody has really discussed. I think it's, here it was in this one. These thingies. These pop-ups. Oh, is it this one? Well, this is like a version for the pop-up, but this one, Convex edit. New version of Convex dashboard is available. Refresh this page to update. So it's like the build gets cached, right? Yeah, so it gets cached. Caching is a thing. So how do you generate like something like a pop-up to tell the user, hey, you need to refresh your page, or this notification the one time as soon as you push? Is this Assad? I think we had this conversation. I don't know if Assad, if you're still there. There's a package you give plug for easy solution. No, wait, what's the name of the package? Are you using a package or are you using service workers? Package. But you said you could do it with package? npm package to show notification when you can pull in SW2. Wait, what is SW? Service. Oh, you could pull in a service worker too. Okay. Notification when easy setup via Vite. npm easy setup. We have Convex. Just make a new table. Have the client query for a version number. Mutate a new version number after deployment. The UI can show the modal if it updates. I think Next has it by default because it's SSR. Huh. Oh no, but there's some pages that are not SSR that are using the client. But yeah, Cody, yes, that sounds like the way to do it. Okay, we could do it. And then the new table, we could just call a version number. And then mutate a new version number after a deployment. Mutate a new version number after a deployment. So you can use the hash from the commit for versioning or numbers, as Cody said, the hash from the commit. What's the issue we have? Does the app just break? So that's a different issue, or they still use the old version? They're using the old version of the app. It's the old version of the app. Because, yeah, I think they were showing something on their screen to me, and I told them to go into our platform. And then, because I needed to show them something. And then I noticed, oh, wait, I thought I updated that. I noticed something, and then I was like, it had to refresh it. Vercel has a SKU protection for this on Pro plans. What's this? SKU protection. SKU, like how far off? What is SKU protection? Seen a 404 for requests from old clients after a deployment, or got an A500 error because the client didn't know that a new server deployment changed an API. We're introducing a generic fix for this problem. Yeah. Okay, today we're introducing SKU protection for deployments. Version SKU, explain version SKU. Happens whenever two components of a software system communicate, but they aren't running at exactly the same version. When two components aren't running at the same... Wait. Alright. When two components of software communicate, but they aren't running... Okay. It may have something to do with the CDN cache, by the way, because for some reason, I hard refresh, I get new code, then restart the browser, and then bam, old code is back somehow. Oh, is that issue in our platform, or you're saying just in general in your project that happens? Because I haven't noticed that much on ours. I haven't noticed that. Huh. In your project, gotcha. Okay. Interesting. And you're running it on Vercel though, right? Let me copy this before I forget. We have a context table, okay. Use a hash or Nope, it might be Cloudflare. It does cache our app, I think. I'm running it on Cloudflare pages. I'm not sure what the TTL is or if we need to manually invalidate the cache. Yep, it would be the Cloudflare's cache. You should revalidate Cloudflare pages after deployments. Okay. Why? Okay, in terms of revalidating traffic. Okay, how? Right, how? What is the TTL? What is TTL? Time to live. Okay. Here we go. Let's look at this. How does TTL work? When a packet of information is created and sent out across the internet, there is a risk that it will continue to pass from router to router indefinitely. To mitigate this possibility, packets are designed with an expiration called a time to live. Okay. Commonly used network commands ping. Okay. So you could change that time. Apart from tracing, okay, across the internet is used for context of caching information for a set period of time instead of measuring time in hopes between router and okay, hops between router and CTL to determine how long cache content should be served. Yeah. How provides you the API? Oh, is it really? How to revalidate a page after the API. I don't know, most of our routes are dynamic, which seems to already have a must revalidate max age 0 header. Do you know where specifically you saw someone's browser showing off old features? I'm trying to remember. Where was it? That's a great question. I just remembered seeing it. Where was it? Was it page, work items, plan, roadmap, resources, finances? No. Feedback, events. No. Where was it? I remember telling them to refresh. It might have been here. No, was it here? Because it was when we switched or move all the projects that have more than one team member to teams. It's probably, what did you say? Back, did you find the way to revalidate? No, it's probably not as big of it's not a high priority thing right now. I don't remember where I saw it. I can't remember where. I don't remember saw it. But if I see it again, then I'll write it down or keep track of it. Let me put it in. I think I have it. This should be low. This is low. Oh, do you know what I need to do? Huh. Yeah, that's fine. I'm trying to remember, where did I see it? Was it plan? Was it inside here? I haven't touched this in a while though. Was it inside here? Was it inside SEO? What was I showing them? Was it this? Was it this? No. Feedback? No. Oh my god, yeah, I can't remember where it was. Hello. Did you just scroll the item all the way to the bottom? I did. And that's not how it should work though. Do you know where specifically you saw? I wonder if a button that sends it to the end of the to-do list might be useful. Right? Because, okay, that's what Florian mentioned. Because it's so funny, because he asked, oh, can you, because the logic, I don't know what's the right logic for this. What's it called? Yeah, he asked if we could be able to sort it, have this sorting, right? So we added it. And then now he sent another feedback saying, oh, but it's not sorting in priority anymore. Which makes sense because now it's based off of the order. So does it make sense to do it based off of both? Like, let's say if I change this to low, right? If I change this to low, I need to also change the ordering. If that makes sense. Change the order because right now I have a table. I don't know if this is the right way. Let me see. Right now we have a schema. We have a schema. And inside this schema, we have work items right here, order, which is optional. So then once one of the work items gets ordered, then all of them have to be ordered as well, or else you're not able to know where the other one should go, if that makes sense. So then in this one, I think high priority items should always be at the top, in my opinion, but you can order them around if you want inside that, but you can't order them inside that category, right? But then and then you can change the order by drag and drop based on the group of statuses. That's a good point. That's probably the right way. That's probably the right way. So maybe, but then, I'm trying to think. But then, do you know what's gonna happen? Then you would have to have another ordering within here. So let's say I make this a high item, high, right? And I put this here, right? Right now I'm able to do this. Damn, a new bug thanks to Cloudflare. CD is serving old code. It's trying to pull up old code, so the app crashed. Oh man. Okay, so you're saying I shouldn't be able to do this. What I should be able to do is either control the order here, right? It should be here. Because how would this work? Right? Yeah. So then I would have a not just okay, so I would have a order. The way that I have order, it's gonna check every other management app allows complete control ordering. Does it really? Wait, what do you mean by complete control ordering? Let's check out, what does Trello do? So based off of like Trello, you could put cards wherever you want. I thought I already had an account. Do I not have a Trello? Maybe it's with my other one. Yeah, it's with my other one. Okay. So what did they do? But this is there priority? There's no priority in this. I'm assuming you can set it. Can you set a priority? It doesn't seem... Can you set priority within here? Wait, why is this not... Have I not used Trello? Huh. Close, open, close, open. I can't... Does Trello let you drag and drop or no? Why is it not letting me drag? Jira gives you separate table view to set priority. What does Jira do again? Oh my god, I haven't used Jira in forever. But I feel like Jira had too many tables. Oh, I had it with my my work account. Sure. You get the Kanban too. Trying to do so. Okay, let's see. We're doing software development. Start now. Okay. Building your timeline. I think we need to keep in alignment with our app goals to keep it simple, right? I don't think we need to make it that complicated, but I guess like, what's the minimum? Because we're not trying to be like other apps, but it does make sense to sort the high priority items here by default. Because look, we have some high stuff, high bugs, high. So then it would be something like, let's say we have this is our Kanban. We got our to-do. We got our in progress and our, no wait, what is this? This is to do in progress, right? Okay. We got our, this one, 100, ugh. We got our to do. We got our in progress and our done. In progress. And then we have also our, okay, so let's say we have our cards like this. And we have our cards like this. And then like this. So then we should hypothetically group these ones together if they're high priority, group these ones, the ordering. So then the ordering of this would be order, this would be order of 1 or 0 or whatever, 1. I forgot what index I started at. 1, and then this one would be order 0, order 1, based off of the status. No, based off of the priority. This is priority high. My question is, why can't we manually order items? If 5 items are high priority, why should picking one over the other make a difference? Just give an option to priority sort, I suppose, and then just give a free mode. Yeah, probably best idea. A toggle manual ordering on off. That's a good, right? Because I think some people wanted that control, that they wanted to be able to, because I think they weren't able to set the ordering within here. I mean, we know a user asked for it, so it's a want. Yeah. But because I think they just wanted to rearrange the order within this little box. Because I don't know, like one option is we could add that toggle on and off button, right? We could add another button, but then we're gonna have another button, right? So we could do something like that, where we have that, what do we call it? But I also want auto ordering, in my opinion. Exactly, so would create blocks for each category and enable the drag and drop only inside. If the user needs to change that, you might want the category manually. I mean, we know manual, what do you call it? Manual ordering. But I think to satisfy both of like Cody, what you mentioned, like you said in your opinion, having the auto ordering, and it does make sense. So I think the best medium is what Cardoso mentioned, right? The ordering, you can order it, but only within the box. But then it's like, what happens if, let's say, where are we? Let's say you try to drag a normal one within here, then it shouldn't let you. It should only let you within here. So it's like nested ordering within here. But I don't know if that's what we want. I mean, I agree with the auto ordering, but being able to change the thing. It sounds super complex. I like it. Isn't having both what you already have? You can drag it where you want, and then you can order it by priority. That's what I said. I was like, if you really only want to see the high items, right? You just click priority, click this, right? And then if you refresh, I believe it stays. Yeah, this, I mean, it's based off of it's staying in the URL. So if you change the URL, it's always, you'll only see the high priority items. So isn't that, like you said, the point of the Kanban is it's simple, or it's filters, right? Then it's like, if we add this, I thought it sorted them by, oh, okay, you thought this sorted them by priority. No, this filters it. So there's filtering. Okay, these are filters, and there's sorting. So we don't have a button really for sorting. So I think, yeah, okay, so then we could either we should probably add a label that says filters. Yeah, because these are filters. Since someone watching got confused. Yeah. That's interesting. But I think once you click on it and you try doing it, then it's like, oh, okay, this filters it. I think you realize that when you use it, no? Because look, okay, I clicked assignee, all of them with mine showed up. If I click yours, then all of them with yours will show up, right? I think, I don't know. I think we're overthinking this. And I don't know if this is some nested drop down filter buttons. Yeah, I like truth. Yeah, I'd know by using it, but at first glance, I would assume it's sorting. That's a good point, but that could be just me. Yeah, because we got this from Shad CN, I think, right? And I think their default is, let's see. What are we doing? Data table. Within data table, okay, we have these columns, but these columns, this is also this is something different though. What do they do? Where do we get this from? Where are the other examples? Sorting, filtering, here we go. Okay, these are the filters. Filter docs. Let me see, what UI is table, not data table? So there's data table and there's table. So I think table is more basic. Linear has a nice drop down for sorting. Oh, let's check out linears. A better way to build products. Meet the new standard. Interesting. So they have, yeah, the list view and the grid view. Okay, let's sign in. I just signed my email up for 2 accounts. Great. Love it. Market research. It's just a display button on the issue pages. Oh, this one? Whoa, okay. Filter labels. Oh, filter features. Interesting. Display board columns. Yeah, this is like on the right. Oh, okay, see right here. Oh, status, assignee. Wait, where's assignee? Assignee. We could do this too. Priority, display properties. Oh, this is interesting. Oh, you guys can't see it. Okay, sorry. Here. This is interesting. See this pop over. Oh, wait, before that, let me take a picture of this. How do we do this? The wording and styling for that one. Okay, let's get rid of you. Add some items. Oh, geez. This is okay. So let's add it. Let's add it. Have you guys used linear before? New issue. Ooh. First issue. Create issue. To do. In progress. So they have it within. Okay. Interesting. Priority. So these are just select combos. Assignee. Okay. It's basically what we have, but just a different design. Creating an issue. Okay. Okay, let's create a couple more. Can I duplicate this? Make a copy. Save copy. Make a copy. Save copy. Okay. And if we add another... Okay, so what is this? Can we add another thing? Clear. Do we add another board? Or is this just for me? Hide column. Show column. Wait, why did I go there? These are the notifications? Wow. We are building the low budget lineage. Yes, we are. Let's go. Wow. How much do people pay for this? Roadmaps. Okay. Teams. Okay. Team settings. Manage. Wow. Oh, so do they allow manual ordering of cards? That's a great question. I still haven't figured that out. Okay, views. What is a view? To show issues and projects they want to work on. Issues. Okay. Cancel. Okay. My issues. Where do I go? Views. Issue. Views. Display. How do I change this? Board. There we go. Okay. Can I drag this? Okay, I could drag it in here. The board is ordered by priority. Isn't that insane? Never tried linear before, but that's fine. Okay, so they give you a heads up. This is ordered by priority. So they don't let you change the ordering. If I add another one, linear UI UX is super nice. Yeah. I mean, of course they are. If you got like millions of dollars in funding and it isn't, then that would be a problem. Okay. So they don't let you. I will say right now, our product owner at work prioritizes items manually by moving them up and down for our team. No way. They have to do it manually? Like, you guys can't do it? Only the product owner? Okay, that makes sense that the product owner has control of it because they're the product owner. So maybe is that a setting where only a certain person with a specific permissions can do it? Anyone on the team can move the cards, but we know not to. Oh, they can move the cards, but you guys, okay. No, not to. Okay. Them up and down for our team. Huh, interesting. We use Zen Hub, a GitHub plugin. Oh, haven't heard of that. Zen Hub. Agile. The next era of project management is AI first. Interesting. The problem, AI radically changes the way we build it, the way we manage. Okay. Oh, that's cool that it does it. Oh, but while scrolling. Okay, I thought it would. What if there was a project management tool that reduced manual work for teams? One that automatically updated as work happened, giving leaders real-time progress updates. Oh. But look, see, it's just a Chrome extension. Install it and then go to any of your GitHub repos. I think Asana allows manual ordering as well. Okay, so Asana. Should we sign up for Asana? I think I have an Asana. I don't remember. Okay. So you could see like the GitHub stuff is in there. Zen Hub, Google extensions. Manage extensions. Web store. Zen Hub. Oh, wow. Only project management tool data within GitHub's user interface. No lengthy onboarding. Okay, so it works with GitHub. Drag and drop issues between pipelines, filter by labels, assign issues. Yeah. That makes sense. Oh, okay. We should create an extension okay, for Project Planner AI. Dang, but wow. Try our interactive demo. Tour. Yeah, see, like this already, it feels overwhelming. No, let me use it. Okay. Wait, I don't need this. Start the tour. I've skipped the button. Okay, fine. Okay. Next. Oh, it's just a bunch of images. Okay. Oh, no, it's actually interactive. Okay. Next. Features. See how I'm just skipping over it? I don't want to. It's like I just want to use it. Okay. Keep exploring. Interesting. So I can't really keep exploring. Okay. Oh, so you go through. ZenHub is for people who want to keep using GitHub issues but hate GitHub issues. Ah, got you. I don't know. Every Kanban tool look very similar. I don't know what we could do to make it different. Would you say Project Planner is more suited to solar devs? I think linear and similar projects are more useful when you have a big team. ZenHub is for people who want to keep using GitHub issues, but yeah, that is a lot of text on the screen at one time. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff happening here. I think that's a great point that you mentioned, Brandon. I think, Cody, I think we agree on that. I think it is tailored more towards solo devs. I think the intention, right, is for you to manage all your side projects. And if you want to add people to your team, you can. And there is that option. If you want to share resources and stuff, like let's say I have one for QuizTube, which is our hackathon project that we worked on. And it's a good place to keep, like, I think the thing that makes it different is like, you can't, within these project things, what's it called? Project management tools. It's like, I don't think you could save links or PDFs or stuff like that, can you? Like, you have to have like a Google Drive, or you could have, I don't know, like you could link the document within the issue, click the issue and find another resource and go there. I don't know. But yeah, I think ours is, I think that should be our selling point. Cody, let's see, what did you say? You said we are building a low budget linear. Yeah. We should change our title or headline for that. Do you personally try to reorder the work items on the Kanban? Not often. I'm trying to think. Not often. I'm trying to think, what is the ordering? If anything, I think the thing that I do use the most is the filters. I think that is more helpful than the reordering. But I get why people want the reordering aspect of it. But like you said, how often are people reordering things? Maybe we should add a tracker for that. Yeah. Wait, I just saw you try it. Oh, yeah, I don't know. I think just make it an option in case people want it. Yeah. Reorder it. Oh, have the what did we call it? What do we call it? The manual reordering as an option? Yeah. It's almost 2 a.m. Oh my god, Assad. Well, thank you for sticking around that long. Yeah, okay, got you. Manual versus automatic ordering. Yeah, well, I think having a button. Yeah, we could add a button for that. Okay. Add a button. Add Add a button to, or add a button called order by priority, and it warns all your manual ordering will be reset. Add a button called order by priority, and it warns all your manual ordering will be reset. Order by priority. Oh, okay, I see what you mean. Yeah. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay. Add a order by priority button. Never mind, maybe toggle is better. I'd prefer what Cody just said, just like linear allows one or the other. Yeah. Yeah. I think I agree with you, Cody. That one is good. The order by priority button. Because then now we have to, if we do the drop down, then we have to keep the logic of the other one, even though, because we had it the right way before. So we would just need to call that. I'm trying to think. I think the order by priority makes more sense though. And then, like you said, we could have, and it warns, yeah, we would have that dialogue that pops up. All your manual ordering will be reset. Yeah, maybe toggle is better. Is toggle better? Add it order by priority button or toggle button to switch between manual versus automatic ordering. I say a toggle for now and add events to track if people use it or not. That's, yeah, okay. Let's stick with the toggle. Toggle button to switch to manually and automatic ordering. Okay. Sounds good. Okay. Okay, sounds good. Okay, you guys, I think I'm gonna end the live stream. We've been here for almost 2 hours and 40 minutes. So I'm making progress. Let's go. Appreciate the feedback. Thanks for sharing all these new things I haven't heard of before. Linear, I haven't tried linear. It feels pretty smooth. But yeah, I think, is it working? Yeah, it works for mobile too. Look at that. Very interesting. Like looking at other apps UIs for inspiration. I think that helps you with the process of building stuff. Dang, I thought our text was small. Their text is small. They're using like extra small. I don't think even that exists. Oh, look at that. Look at this. They have everything in one button. Oh my god. What is this? Help, contact us, Slack community, API documentation, ask us a question, full change log. Interesting. But you can't upload stuff here. No. So I think that's one advantage we have. You could upload stuff, but then it's like, oh. Okay. Their GitHub integration is nice. Yeah, we need to add GitHub integration. So maybe we could look at how do you add GitHub? What do? We go to switch workspaces, invite workspace settings. Workspace settings, integrations. There we go. GitHub enabled. Yeah. So then how do you use it with GitHub? Hi, simple question. When you send a setter function as a prop, do you use dispatch as a type? Yes. Yes. Dispatch and what was the other one? Are you talking about this? Dispatch set state action Boolean. This is what it looks like. Interesting. Connect GitHub. Okay, so it isn't connected. I just connected my... Oh, wait, now it's connected. Oh, that's nice. You have it connected. So then what do you do now? Okay. Create. Wait, Brandon, how do you use it? Okay, I got it connected. So what do I do? Do I just reference the... How do I reference... When would I use this? Import issues. Okay, thank you. Because you said open. It was open state Boolean void. Yeah, you can do that too. It's not wrong. It was on the page you were on before. Oh, okay. I think this way is what ChatGPT recommended, but I was doing it your way as well. It's the same thing. I think so. I don't know. Import issues. Import issues from GitHub. Or okay, but what if you don't have any issues in GitHub? Then it's not really useful, right? Connect organizations. Me. All repos. Sure. GitHub mobile. Okay. GitHub mobile. Here we go. Okay. I'm connected. Now what? Select a repo. What is a repo? What is a repo? Which repo do I have issues in? I don't think I have any issues. What was it? Boilerplates? It will auto close them in linear if you close on GitHub. Oh, that makes sense. Okay, let's try this. Fetching data from GitHub. We couldn't find any issues. Yeah, see, look, I don't have any issues. Okay. Make sure the repo you're trying to import from contains some issues. Okay. Got you. Okay, then I think I don't really use GitHub issues. Okay, it will auto close then. Interesting. Does anybody else do you guys use GitHub issues on your own projects or no? That's interesting. This doesn't let you drag and drop. Simple project board. Okay. Why is it not letting me drag? Do you have to change this? I don't understand. Public board. Or is it... Okay. Okay, you guys. Yeah, okay. I think I'm going to end it. Okay, thank you. Keep pushing it. Whoa. There we go. Okay. Okay. Have a good rest of your day. We'll see ya. Keep an eye out on my next video. Hopefully I could get it out today. I'm going to be working on that after this. And yep. Okay. Have a good one. And